Hello everyone, Christopher here with McWane Science Center, and welcome back to SciSparks. You ever come home after a long day and pour yourself a nice tall glass of air? Sounds impossible, but in today's episode, I'll show you how. Bottoms up. For today's experiment, I need two things. This rig here, think of it as a scientific miniature water slide, and this flask containing a very special gas. What makes this gas special? This is a gas you can pour out like water. Watch. Look, there it goes. The gas really is flowing down the slide, which we'd be able to see if it weren't invisible, which it is. So how do I prove that the gas really was flowing down the slide? Well, I could light it on fire. You see, not only does my gas flow like water, it's also very much unlike water, highly flammable, which means pour it in the direction of an open flame and it catches fire. So how is this possible? It's tempting to think of every gas as equally weightless, but clearly that's not true. Different molecules, even different atoms, can weigh different amounts. To see how much they weigh, we look at their molar mass. Molar mass is measured in grams per mole, and on average, the air we breathe is about 29 grams per mole. If a gas has a lower molar mass, it will float. For example, helium has a molar mass of about 4 grams per mole. Meanwhile, hydrogen has a molar mass of only 2 grams per mole. Whoa! On the flip side, carbon dioxide, which I can make by combining baking soda and vinegar, has a molar mass of 44 grams per mole, higher than that of air. And because it's higher, I can pour it out and it'll sink, just like a liquid. So then, what was our special gas? Meet hexane. That's hex as in 6 carbon atoms per molecule, as in a whopping 86 grams per mole. That's heavy stuff. And yes, it lets us do this. Turns out, not all gases are alike. Some are heavy, some are light, and some can be deadly. You see, while we all know to keep flames away from flammable liquids like gasoline and rubbing alcohol, as those liquids evaporate, they become gases that are equally flammable and invisible to boot. So stay safe, and when working with materials like that, keep the fire away. Well, that's it for today's episode. If you enjoyed this video, let us know by leaving us a like. And to catch new episodes as soon as they're released, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.